Hello Biboxers, I'm Smriti Jha, your Bibox Informator. I welcome you to our first video. In this video, I'll tell you all about investing your funds and trading on the right time at the right place. Trading and copy trading. As we all are very versed with the trading definition, which normally means the buying and selling of stock and coins. With your investment, if you do it correctly, you may earn a lot of profits, but if you do it wrong, you may suffer loss. But I'll tell you guys a difference here with Bibox. Here you can do copy trading to maximize the chances of your profit, but you need to be a little careful or you can face loss on your part as well. So let's understand what copy trading is. In simple word, it basically copies the expert trader's pattern and pastes it in your account. For an instant, if the expert trader buys 100 coin, it will automatically do the same. And if he sells it when the price is high, your account will automatically imitate the same. Who can benefit from copy trading? For example, you're new in market and you don't know anything about copy trading. It's analysis, technical and fundamental knowledge. You can benefit a lot from copy trading. Or if you don't have any time to follow up with the market updates, copy trading is for you. It can also benefit people who wants to avoid loss and gain many profits, or people who gain few profits on most investments. Just select and follow the expert and invest according to his or her trading pattern. And when your expert sells or buys, your account action will be the same. Boom, here are your profits. Bibox Copy Trading details. You can check the expert's detail like their total asset, how many people are following them, and their total returns. To follow the expert's trading pattern and to gain more profit, you need to give 10 to 20% commission to the expert. For example, you're investing $100 by following the master trader with a commission of 20%. You earn 100% profit. That makes your profit to be $100. With a commission rate of 20%, you will be giving $20 to the master trader, but still you retain an $80 as your profit. We know a coin has two sides. Besides earning profit, one might also face some loss, but those chances are highly reduced thanks to the expert traders of Bibox, who helps you to minimize the chances of loss and maximize the profit of yours. Now let's talk about the benefit of copy trading. Here, the chances of your profit are extremely high and the chances of your loss are greatly reduced. Normally, if you do trading by yourself, you may invest a lot of time. But by copy trading, you may just select and follow the expert and all the work will be done by itself. Here, you can also learn if you're a beginner and you can follow the master trader's activity and you can become an expert by yourself too. Interesting, isn't it? Too much good information, right? Still wondering where to start all of it? We got you covered, all by Bibox. Simply, you need to go to the website or app and sign up and create your account and deposit the amount. Now click the copy trader option and choose your master trader to follow. Automatically, your trading will start according to your master trader. See, it's so simple. What are you waiting for? Get yourself going on Bibox. Sign up and earn profit now. For more relatable videos on crypto trading, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Download and register on Bibox now. Bibox only for you.